Pow, pow, fist, fist. Now you gonna this. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm doing too much. But it's a bad lightning today. Well, oh well, because this is going to be my testing table for every single day. Okay? Okay. Y'all can see me a little bit, that's all. I have a squishy package. Sorry, guys. I have a bit of a cold. But, where's my note? Don't tell me that did not bring a note. Note. Yeah. Notes. Note. It says no refund. No refunds. And it says for the pink squishy, she cost me $25 yeah. So, not cool, but worth the try. For the brown squishy, she cost me $1. For the extra, she cost me $26. So, yeah. Here's my extras. Let's start off with this one. Thank you very much for this, because I can use this for school. As you know, school started. I'm putting it over here. Okay. Started here. That's why she paid me $26. SpongeBob trophy. But it's broken. So, and it's half ripped off. And it's broke. So I won't be using you. But, ooh, she got me a container. I can put one of my slimes in here. And then get this atop. This will be coming in handy. A sock for an extra. It has been used. It's nasty. Y'all making me so mad. But it's starting off so bad. But, oh, I will be using this. I will be using this. Because that's some good stuff right there. And that container is good. Because, thanks. Here go little Theodore. Hi, Theodore. Oh my god. It has a switch on the back. Hi, Theodore. Bye, Theodore. Theodore. Or something. Ooh, this could be Theodore's girlfriend. Hi, Theodore's girlfriend. Even though you're not fat like him, but just be his girlfriend for one day. Just be his girlfriend for one day. Just be his girlfriend for one day. Sorry, guys. 2 more left. This little thing. Oh, I always wanted one of these. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to be playing with you after the video. And the last one is this top. I'll be using that. So let's get to the squishies. First dango squishy is this brown squishy. Oh my god, what the heck is this? This is a stuffed animal. I said a squishy, not a I'm gonna get my money back. Even though the card said no refunds no matter what, I'm gonna get my money back. I'm gonna get $1 back because This thing is a stuffed freaking animal. I didn't expect this stuff. A brown squishy. Don't do me. Next one better not be a stuffed animal. That's what I just figured out. I'm gonna be keeping this pink pillow, and I thank you for this, but it's not squishy. It's full with stuff, but I'm gonna be keeping this stuff. Yeah. Thank you, Slime University. You guys are awesome. I did not, if you're watching this, I did not ask for a stinking dirty thing. A stinking dirty brown thing. I did not ask for that, but it's worth it. But bye.